Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Eunice again, same packaging as before, so let's go ahead and get into what we got. Of course, I'm seeing the wig first once I open the box, then I got a few goodies. All right, so I got a set of press-on nails, really cute. I also got a elastic headband, and lastly in the package I got a pair of HD wig caps. Everything is thoroughly branded. Ooh, this wig right here is so gorgeous, guys. Let's talk about it. Perfect for fall. It's a bye-bye knot 7x5 pre-cut lace glueless wig, reddish brown body wave, pre-bleach, invisible knots, pre-everything human hair wig. All right, it's 150% in density and it's 24 inches long, guys. It's nicely pre-plucked in the front. As I said, it's already pre-bleach, it's pre-everything, so you could literally slip this on and go. This is how the inside construction looks. It has adjustable straps on the inside. It has a curve at the ear portion there, and also combs. If you need extra security, you can also adjust that elastic band on the inside, and it's a medium cap. Please do remember it's processed hair, so it is a little on the coarse side. So this is how it fits once I slip it on. It's pretty snugged, feels great. It's a medium cap, as I said before. So yeah, it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's a nice graduation in the front. As you can, well, I wanted to just pause for a moment and show you guys that this is indeed very secure on the head. It has a lot of stuff inside the cap for security, so you don't have to worry about the wig falling off your head or anything like that if you decide to wear it fully glueless. So as you can see, there's a little bit of cast in the front, so of course you guys know I got my face powder to just mute that out or make it more discreet, and I'm just taking my time to tap that and just kind of just erase that cast all together. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher. Now, I pretty much wanted to show you guys how much space you have to work with, and I'm just parting it throughout the area that the lace is. Remember, it's a 7x5 closure, so you do have some space to work with. You could get a nice deep side part. You could do braids in this. You could even do like a mid half up, half down, like part it within the middle portion there and do a nice little ponytail. You could really, you could explore with different styles with this, and it's a nice graduation. As I said before, for the hairline, it looks so nice and realistic. So you guys know me, I'm not the best with parting, but I did get this parting. It was a little lean out of the box, so I went ahead and tried my best to straighten it, and then I got my wax stick, and pretty much I'm gonna get the top as flat as possible. You guys know the drill. And once I was done with that, I pretty much went on in to refreshing the curls, to just make the wig look more, yeah, because that's how we want it to look. We want it to look on point. So I did like the curtain band vibe, and you guys are gonna see in a few. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in.
wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming.
So what I did here is I went ahead and cut a little bit of layers, just light layers, just in the area that I recurled. And this, adding layers can really give the hair so much personality. Like, look at that. Love it. Love it. It feels so nicely. Super nice. But yeah, so that's pretty much how I just restyle the front, because the hair pretty much comes pre-styled for you guys straight out of the box. But as you saw, I had to go in and, you know, fix the parting, you know, so definitely I had to just touch up the front. But this is it, guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. This is a gorgeous wig. As I said, this is a perfect color for fall. I absolutely love it. It's stunning. Shout out to Eunice here. They definitely did their thing. Minimal shedding on the wig, by the way. But yeah, it's perfect. I love it. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link if you guys are interested in getting this wig for yourself, as well as all the specifications down below. So please go ahead, check that out. But yeah, guys, any discount code, by the way, because you know Black Friday is coming up, all the deals are coming up, so please check out my description box. All right, but yeah, that's it for now. Go ahead, get yourself a really nice quality glueless wig, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.